Recreational marijuana has been legal in Montana for just over a year, but the start of adult use sales on January 1st, well, it's never been more accessible to Montanans. That's also increased concerns over people driving under the influence of cannabis.
In the state of Montana, a DUI is a DUI, whether you're impaired by alcohol, marijuana, or any other drug for that matter.
If you are pulled over and the police officer feels that you are driving under the influence of marijuana or any other drug, an officer who is specialized in drug recognition will come to the scene.
Each drug belongs to one of the 7 drug categories, and there's specific signs and symptoms associated with each drug. And these officers with the specialized training are able to determine, 1, whether you are impaired, and 2, what drug category you are impaired by.
Driving is a privilege, not a right. When you went to the Department of Motor Vehicles, you signed a paper saying you comply with a sobriety test.
The implied consent advisory, and what that means is that when you sign for your driver's license, it is implied that you will consent to testing for drugs or alcohol in your system. Driving
while being high will be treated just like driving under the influence of alcohol. And just like alcohol, there is a legal limit.
You do have 5 nanograms of THC in the blood. It is much like the same as having a 0.08 blood alcohol content. It falls under the same code, the same law.
In the state, the first DUI offense will result in jail time, 24 hours to 6 months, and a fine of $600 to $1,000. Your 4th DUI could result in a felony charge, which could include prison time serving 13 months to 5 years, with a fine of $5,000 to $10,000.